Read with us all week long in our programs listed on our cflibguides.lonestar.edu page. Remember to like and share these videos. Now on with the show.
Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Missy with Lone Star College Sci-Fair in Harris County Public Library, and I'm back again with another Baby Boogie. But today, may the 4th be with you, moms, because this weekend we've got Mother's Day, as well, today is May the 4th. So may the 4th be with you, and I have baby Grogu on my shoulder. So we are going to go ahead and we're going to do some fun. We're going to do a fun story about moms and about how to make a baby smile. And we're going to do our welcome song. So let's get started, shall we? Oh, you are here today. Oh, you are here today. We're so glad that you are here. Let's all shout hooray. Hooray! Miss Missy's here today. Miss Missy's here today. We're so glad Miss Missy's here. Let's all shout hooray. Hooray! Grogu's here today. Oh, Grogu's here today. We're so glad that Grogu's here. Let's all shout hooray. Hooray! Who else could we have here? Frank! Frank is here today. Oh, Frank is here today. We're so glad that Frank is here. Let's all shout hooray. Hooray! And Mr. Bear's here too. Mr. Bear. All right, boys and girls. So let's go ahead and get started and let's get our wiggles out, shall we? Let's do some stretching. Oh, Grogu, are you ready? Okay. This is my right hand. Reach it up high. Reach it up high. This is my left hand. Reach for the sky. Right hand. Left hand. Roll them around. Right hand. Left hand, pound, pound, pound. Great job. Now let's go ahead and kick our feet. Can you kick your feet? Yeah, just like that. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kick your little feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kicking is so neat. Now we're going to row our boats. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Oh, merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Great job. Oh my goodness. All right, boys and girls. So it is time for our first book. So let's go ahead and get ready, shall we? Here we go. Baby has a little book, little book, little book. Baby has a little book in their little hands. And our story is, how do you make a baby smile?
How Do You Make a Baby Smile by Philemon Sturges, illustrated by Bridget Stevens Marzo, and read with permission from HarperCollins Publishers. How do you make a baby smile? Grin like Papa Crocodile. Or like Mama Elephant, wiggle your ear. Or shake your horns like Daddy Deer. How do you make a baby laugh? Twist your neck like a Papa Giraffe. Or make a face like Mama Baboon. Or play peekaboo like Daddy Raccoon. How do you make a baby coo? Sing like Daddy Robins do. Or like Mama Chickens cluck all day. Or like Papa Crickets fiddle away. So how do you make a baby grin? Tickle the baby under its chin. When a baby yawns and nods its head, tuck the baby snug in bed. The end.
All right. Now, I hope you like that story. Now, let me see if I can make a baby smile. And let's go ahead and we're going to do zoom, zoom, zoom to the moon. We haven't done it in a while. We can lift our little ones up into the air. But we're going to be kind of moving our hands in front of them. And then we're going to be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We'll blast them off. Okay. So I've got Frank right here for me. So here we're going to go. We're going to go. We can just smooth our hands right in front of our another. So here we go. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. Oh, if you want to take a trip, climb aboard my rocket ship. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift them up. Blast off! Now, let's go ahead and see if we can take them someplace else. Ready? Far, 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 we're going to the stars. Far, 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 we're going to the stars. Oh, if you want to take a trip, climb aboard my rocket ship. Far, 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 we're going to the stars. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready? Blast off! Shh. Ready? Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. Oh, if you want to take a trip, climb aboard my rocket ship. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's blast off! Shh. All right. And considering that today's May the 4th, I thought it'd be fun for us to do a kind of a space song. All right. Now, moms, this next song is for you. It's from me to you. So, boys and girls, if you know the happy birthday song, this one will be very, very easy. We're going to go, Happy Mother's Day to you. Happy Mother's Day to you. Happy Mother's Day to moms. Happy Mother's Day to you. Happy Mother's Day, moms. All right, now let's go ahead and we're going to get our wiggles out for the last bit and get ready to banana. All right, I have to be careful not to crush Grogu here. All right, bananas unite. Banana split. Peel. Banana, peel, peel, banana, peel. Banana, peel, peel, banana, go. Bananas, go, go, bananas, go. Bananas, go, go, bananas, bananas unite. Banana split. Peel, banana, peel, peel, banana, peel. Banana, peel, peel, banana, go. Bananas, go, go, bananas, go. Bananas, go, go, bananas, bananas. Have a seat and get ready for a squish. Ready? Squish, banana, squish, squish, banana, squish, banana, squish, squish, banana. Give them a big squish, squish. All right, boys and girls. So now that is all the time that we have today for our story times. However, we still have to do our goodbye song. So get ready. Ready? Oh, it's time to say goodbye to all my friends. Oh, it's time to say goodbye to all my friends. Oh, it's time to say goodbye. Give a smile and wink your eye. Oh, it's time to say goodbye to all my friends. Can you guys wave? Oh, it's time to wave goodbye to all my friends. Oh, it's time to wave goodbye to all my friends. Oh, it's time to wave goodbye. Give a smile and wink your eye. Oh, it's time to wave goodbye to all my friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends who love. May the 4th be with you, moms. And we hope that you have a wonderful Mother's Day. All right. Until then, as always, happy reading. We miss you.